So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever it is the time you are watching this video. Welcome everyone. If you are new, all right, welcome. You know, check out my channel and subscribe because it's packed full adventure and good energy. If it's that what you're looking for, this is the channel, all right? So stay here with me because this is the brand new fresh start of 2023. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year for everyone, for all the beautiful followers around the world. Thank you very much for all the good things and subscribing and for all beautiful support. So I'm on my way in a place I've been there already, but well, actually with Noah, I'm gonna leave the link right here if you haven't seen that place yet. So it will be like more than 30 kilometers. I'm back here with the gears, water, 3 liters, cookie, you know. So I'm on my way for this solo mission with Cookie to see if we can find a lotus flower. All right, let's see if we can reach there in one piece and come back home in one piece as well, which is the most important, folks. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Is that right, Cookie? Is that right? Okay, I gotta leave the bike here. You heard that? The highway is not too far from this forest and the lake, so I have to take safety for the bike and sure that it's safe here. So, and then Cookie and myself going to hit the somehow, you know, to reach into the lake. Let's see. Cookie, it's okay. All right, Daddy gonna get that flower, you know. Gonna get that flower. Hopefully, right, nothing happened. Okay, so far the water going like this deep. Okay, a lot of flowers, everything for the lot of flowers. What the fuck? God damn. Okay, so far so good. Okay, everything is good, right? Get this beautiful flower. Fuck, this flower is deep. Shit. Woo! Coming. Are you alright? Are you okay? Hey, calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down. All right. I'm here. Okay? That was crazy, Cookie. What you doing? Almost get out of here, man. It's okay. It's okay. Wait. Wow. Oh, finally. Woo! I did it. I did it. All right. Yes. We made it, guys. We just made it. Will you look at this? Beautiful. Look at this. Huh? Woo, the water's beautiful. Look. A lotus flower from the darkness. She reborn and bright, as beautiful as possible. Woo! I know this is crazy, guys. I know. Maybe you think it's crazy, but I'm telling you, sometimes in life we need adrenaline, you know, or something to keep us alive, and this is, for me, it's like a lot. I hope you enjoyed the whole footage, the aerial shot, this crazy thing I'm doing it for all of you guys, and for myself too, you know, to be honest, because I'm coming here all the way, you know, riding a bike. I mean, I don't get money for this, but I'm loving it, you know. And Cookie tried to save me too. All right, so give me that thumb up. What do you think about all this madness I done for all of you guys, and just to show you this beautiful flower, you know. And subscribe, comment below. All right, folks, until the next time, I love you. Right? Wow, this water's cool. Got a long way here to go back home. All right, let's go.